You might be spending hundreds of dollars every year on water filters without realizing there are affordable alternatives that work just as well. The question is, do expensive water filters actually provide value, or can a simple DIY system meet your needs at a fraction of the cost? Today, we'll explore the differences, the pros and cons, and help you understand what really matters when it comes to clean drinking water. Many households rely on high-end water filtration systems because they promise purity and convenience. Yet, most people don't know exactly what these filters remove, how long they last, or how much maintenance they require. The result? You pay premium prices without always seeing a clear benefit. Meanwhile, simple DIY water filtration methods using activated carbon, sediment filters, or even basic reverse osmosis kits can achieve similar levels of water purity for a much lower cost. The main problem is a lack of clarity and transparency. Most expensive systems are marketed with terms like ultra-pure or advanced filtration, but these labels rarely come with detailed explanations or independent testing results. Consumers are left assuming that higher price equals better quality. But water safety is less about brand prestige and more about understanding your water's specific needs, what contaminants exist, and how effectively a filter removes them. DIY systems give you control and flexibility. You can test your water at home, adjust filtration levels, and even replace components yourself. A simple pitcher filter, combined with a sediment pre-filter and activated carbon cartridge, can remove chlorine, heavy metals, and sediment effectively. For households dealing with hard water or specific contaminants, modular DIY setups allow targeted filtration without paying for features you don't need. Another point to consider is maintenance. Expensive systems often come with long-term replacement plans, adding hundreds of dollars over several years. DIY systems usually have readily available components, and replacements are straightforward and cost-effective. Plus, knowing how your system works helps you troubleshoot issues without relying on service appointments or complicated warranties. Key insight: expensive does not always mean better. While some high-end filters offer convenience, smart DIY approaches can deliver comparable results for much less. The most important factor is understanding the quality of your water, the contaminants you need to remove, and the filtration method's effectiveness, not the price tag. In conclusion, whether you choose an expensive system or a DIY setup, the focus should be on informed decisions. A DIY system doesn't mean compromising on safety or taste. It means having control, flexibility, and cost efficiency. You can create a clean, reliable water source in your home without overpaying for unnecessary features. If you want to dive deeper into testing water, understanding filter types, and building your own system, consider reviewing the materials and guides linked below. Practical knowledge empowers you to make decisions based on facts, not marketing. Subscribe to this channel to get more practical insights on home water systems, and check the description for a detailed feature that helps you compare water filtration methods easily.